Here in the state of California, when a homeowner dies, their death is considered a change in ownership event for tax purposes. How long are you given to notify the tax assessor's office of your loved one's death before you are faced with penalties and other related costs? Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. If you are new here and you like our content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. When there is a death of a property owner here in California, the county tax assessor's office must be notified within 150 days of that death event. Another notification option is at the time of the inventory and appraisal is filed with the county clerk. The exact time frame will depend on how the property is to be transferred via will, a trust, or some other legal means. Someone will need to file specific documents with the county assessor's office. The following are some of the primary documents that will need to be filed. A change in ownership statement called a death of real property owner. You'll need to file a death certificate. You'll need to file a last will and testament. And if you plan to file a reassessment exclusion of some type, you'll need to file the appropriate document. If your loved one died intestate, meaning without a last will and testament, you'll need to file a change in ownership statement, death of real property owner. You'll need to file a death certificate. You'll need to submit letters of administration. Those are the documents you'll be given once you receive authority to administrate the estate, or if you do plan to claim a reassessment exclusion, meaning the property will not be reassessed by the tax assessor, thus raising the property taxes on the property, you'll need to file the appropriate document as well. If your loved one's property was in a living trust, you'll need to file the change in ownership statement, death of real property owner. You'll need to file a complete copy of the trust with all attachments and amendments. You'll need to file a death certificate. And again, if you plan to claim a reassessment exclusion, you'll need to file the appropriate document for that as well with the county assessor. Question of the day: when your loved one passed away, did you file a document to claim an exclusion on having the property reassessed for tax purposes? Let us know in the comments below. If you fail to notify the tax assessor of your loved one's death within 150 days of that event, you may be subject to penalties and other reassessment surprises. So take care of that business. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you know someone that's dealing with a probate scenario, share this video with them. And if you have any questions for me, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is in the description. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need an attorney, please contact one. If you need an estate planning or a probate attorney here in the Southern California area, feel free to contact me for a referral.